Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for coming to worship with us this morning. We're blessed to be able to celebrate this December 25th, the birth of our Savior. So thank you so much for coming out and joining your First Church family. I do have a couple of announcements I want to make for you. This coming Wednesday night, we have no services, so people can enjoy their Christmas vacation for students, and for the parents, this can be a night at home with your kids to be able to celebrate together just this amazing time of year. And next Sunday, we are going to have church. It is January 1st, so we're going to be welcoming in 2017. So please plan on joining us. It's going to be an awesome time of being able to open our new year in worship and receive a challenge for our 2017 year. So plan on joining us. It's going to be an awesome time. Here in just a minute, we're going to start A Christmas Miracle. It's a beautiful play written and directed by Sarah Peel, and the cast has done a phenomenal job putting it together and getting everything done. So you're going to be really blessed by this play. But before that, we are going to take the offering. And if you haven't downloaded the FCOB Ottumwa app yet, go ahead and take out your phone in the next few seconds, and you can download it. Go into your app store, either it's the Apple Store or Google Play. Type in FCOB Ottumwa, and our app is right there. You just hit the download button and install, and then it's really easy to follow. Hit the give button, and it'll walk you through the steps. Enter your name, your phone number. It'll ask you for bank account information or a one-time giving donation if you want to do that as well. So go ahead, get into that so that when our offering comes through, if you don't want to write a check or don't want to give cash, but you would like to give digitally, you can. Now, we're not going to just digital, so those of you who still want to write a check or give cash, you're more than welcome to do so. All right, so here comes the offering. We're going to watch a video, and as soon as the video is over, the play is going to get started. So be blessed today, First Church. Enjoy A Christmas Miracle.